Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to create and execute or run Python script on Windows operating systems. First we will create the Python script and execute from the Python IDLE and command prompt or PowerShell. Okay. Now open the Python IDLE. See here we have the Python IDLE. Click on it to open. Now go to file and new file. Then save this file. I am going to save on desktop. See here. Extension is .py, .pyw, .pyy. Okay, so I'm giving, no need to give extension because see here save type as .py. Okay, click on save. See its extension is .py. Now you can print hello world, print sum of two numbers. Save the file, close it. Now go to file and open file, then select open, then go to desktop. See here I have the R2 programs.py. Select it. Now click on this run module. See you got the output. This is the way to execute the file from the Python IDLE. The other way is, now open CMD, run as administrator, go to this path, cd, paste it, hit enter, dir. See here we have the R2 programs.py. Okay, now execute it, Python, then copy this file name, or just type R2, hit enter. See here whatever is there in this file, see printed the same. Okay, you can also execute the same from the PowerShell. Again this time we are directly executing without going to that path. So Python, paste that file name with the path. See you got the output. Okay, the other ways, until now we have created Python file by using Python IDLE shell. You can also create the same Python file, pys. Now provide the Python commands. A equals to 100, b equals to 200, c equals to b minus a, print c. Okay, then save the file. Here I have created three variables, here subtracted. Okay, and it is going to print value of this c. Okay, so save the file, then come to here, Python welcome.py. See you got the output. You can execute the same in the IDLE shell also. Go to file, then open, then go to that file path. See here we have the welcome.py. Click on it to open, then click on run, then run module. See you got the output. Okay, you can execute the same by going to VS Code also. Terminal, new terminal, then copy this entire path, go to terminal, paste it, then welcome.py. See you got the same. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to create and execute Python script on Windows operating systems from CMD, PowerShell, Python IDLE and VS Code. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.